Hey everyone, Ryan from Local Leads. I'm going to make this really quick today, so you really only got to pay attention for about 2 minutes or so. Today's topic is Facebook. Facebook is one of those things for most agents that's really not existent. It's on the back burner, really doesn't get the attention it needs to really actually work. And in today's world, an agent really can't afford not to be on social media. It's just shooting yourself in the foot. You know, you're losing money every single day that you're not active on it, and it's so simple. We've been helping insurance agents since 2010 from all carriers. And out of all the conversations that we have with carriers all over the country, the number one reason that agents say they're not active on social media is because they just don't have the time, right? And they have no idea what to even post. I mean, if you think about it, who really has time to sit down and come up with a post that's going to get a response every single day, right? And if you're not consistent at doing it, it just doesn't work at all. So this is really where we come in. Our staff will customize content for your agency and post it to your Facebook page 5 days a week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And these posts are not the posts that your company puts out, your current carrier puts out. So it's not the posts that every other agent in town are using. Okay, these are customized, these are funny, and engaging posts that actually grab the attention of people to get some likes and get some engagement, right? And they're also going to cover all product lines that you currently offer. So we're going to cover life insurance, auto insurance, home insurance, and renter's insurance. Okay, we're going to post about all of those each week. Okay, and all that is for $37 a month. It's all month to month. So if you're looking for a way to get the hassle out of your Facebook, make your Facebook fresh and engaging for all your visitors, go ahead and click the link below, and we'll go ahead and reach out to you to get your account customized. Talk to you soon.